you need to remember, ito, perfect example, Jollibee 98 pesos, magkano Jollibee ngayon? So yung mga tao to, I'm part of that. I can explain because I'm part of those who says I should have bought a lot. 98 pesos yung Jollibee back then, isang Jollibee stock. Para kang nag-rewind 10 years back. Kasi 280 pesos eh. Pumapangit yung pangalan ng Jollibee sa mga binibili nila before, pero talaga bumagsak yung price. No? So imagine if you bought 1 million peso or 10 million pesos of Jollibee when it was 98 pesos, 10 million, you would have earned another 10 to 15 million in 5 years just by buying the dip, just by buying the fear, just by buying the recession results. Right? Okay, so again, this live is not to hype you but to make you zoom out, no, on this particular occasion. Let the recession come. Ang tagal ng narrative niyan. Matter of fact, people are saying, oh, JP Morgan, 60% recession odds, blah, blah. Then, sa palagay ko, Trump wants that to happen. Why? Because Trump wants the Fed to cut rates.